and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming.
Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie Belly TV special. Today I am taking it to another level. I have some hazelnuts here and a little bit of coconut oil. I have a little bit of sea salt. Well, this is coarse salt with red pepper flakes that I've been using, and I'm gonna be making a nut butter. I want to make some hazelnut butter. Alright, I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try. That's the whole idea behind it. So today I'm gonna be making some hazelnut butter. Alright, and if I may just add something else to it, add other nuts to it if I feel led. Alright, let me try this one and see how it works first, because you know Yardie Belly is all about trying your hands, turning your hands to make fashion. Never done it before, but I figure who to tell. I can make my own Nutella. Yes, man. So let's get into the kitchen as I start. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this on a baking sheet and put it in my toaster oven to toast, and then we take it from there. Okay, so I have put down some foil paper here, and I have 1 cup of hazelnuts there. And we're gonna put another cup. Alright, so we're gonna use 2 cups of hazelnut, and we're gonna put this in the toaster oven for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, just for them to toast up, if that long. I'm gonna watch it before, you know. It look nice, don't it? Mm-hmm. Alright, so now we're gonna put these in the toaster oven. What are you craving, so? Here we have them toasted, and we just want to let them cool off just a little bit, well, not too much, and we're gonna try to remove some of the outer skins. You don't have to, it's not a prerequisite, but we're gonna try to remove some of the outer skins, and then we start to blend in our blender. So here we have our nuts that have been toasted, and as you can see, the skins are a little bit dark.
Some of them, most of them are pretty perfect.
And it's not a major issue, you know, you just want them to, you know, and then we're gonna try to rub the skins off. So I put them in this hand towel here, and you're just gonna try to maneuver them. Yeah, I just want to. And again, guys, the skins, it's not a big deal, it's not a deal breaker if the skins are on. It's not a deal breaker. So what you're gonna do is you just rub, and as soon as you get them clean to some level, you put them in the
Food processor.
So you just keep rubbing. So we're just taking our time, you know, pick off and clean up, and pick off and clean up, and rub and clean up. This, you know, you have to, if you want good, you know, you have to run. So you're just cleaning up. And again, it's not 100% absolute that you have to take them off, but it makes for a cleaner, nicer nut butter.
And this is a nice family bonding activity, especially if you have kids. You can get the kids involved with, you know, removing the skins from your nuts.
Joshua in class, so that's why I'm not out here with us while we're bonding it. So guys, you know what is reaching me now, right? Lack of patience, right? I just can't, and I've been eating them out, so I'm gonna just pour them in my food processor now. I can't wait to do it. I can't do it no more. And again, some folks are gonna do this better than some, and I am okay with that. The good thing about this is that it's for my and my family consumption. So where our standards are that we can work with it as it is right now. So we're just gonna get these into our food processor, and then we're gonna kick it up and start working.
All right, so it's time to do the grinding, blending,
or
processing. And we only have 1 cup here because of the size of our food processor. Ideally, it would have been good to have a bigger food processor to do the entire thing, but we are doing it in 2 batches, a cup at a time, because of the size of the food processor that we have. So let's get rolling.
Alright, let me turn this around and put on the lock. Start the pulsing.
Cover it.
Oh, sorry. You think we can put the rest in it now?
But like, yeah.
Put the rest in it?
Yeah, we could try adding gradually.
Gradually. Alright.
So we're adding a little at a time, and then we're gonna just keep pulsing.
And that toasted nut smell is so homely and inviting. Yeah, so we're gradually adding all of them now. So now that we have it at this level, now I'm gonna take out back some. Alright? Because and as you can see, it's like a grainy, sandy thing now. Now you want to be careful, because it will go into the butter stage very soon after this. So let me take out back some.
Look how nice that looks, you guys. Oh my god.
And this would be great to make like a praline bar or anything like that, guys. And again, because of the size of my food processor, I don't want it to, you know, overdo. So I'm taking out some now, and it's gonna be a couple stages, but hey, until we get better, we do better. And ever so often you have to scrape down the sides of your bowl, because it's gonna you know, because it's getting thicker, the more it becomes more of a paste, is the more you're gonna have to scrape down the sides of your bowl. And it also gives the food processor a little time to rest, because you know this, the motor in this will burn up, right? Sure, yeah. In a sec. Burn up. Let's go again. So now it's still warm, so that's why you get a little steam. But now you see the butter forming, the oils are congealing, and it's forming into the butter. Now you want to add some coconut oil. and I'm using just about, this is what, about a teaspoon.
And this is organic, raw, unfiltered, cold pressed virgin coconut. Wow, you guys, it's amazing how easy it is to make your own nut butter, and this smells so nice and toasty, a nice little roasted flavor. Cannot wait.
Alright, so now that we have reached this stage, we're gonna do some additives now to make it into our Nutella. The first thing you want to do is you want to make it a little bit sweet. I'm using coconut sugar because it's low glycemic, it's good for diabetics and all of that, and it's also organic, and it just goes with the flavor that we're creating. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. Alright, and because we're gonna do 2 batch of this, I don't want to over sweeten 1 batch. Okay, and guys, again, you can moderately check how much sweets you want in it. The next thing I'm gonna add is some vanilla, and this is Benjamin's. I'm using Benjamin's. And guys, guess what, I'm using just a little bit in the cap. See there, not even a full cap full. Alright, and guess what, you can use even peanuts you can use and make the same nut butter. You don't have to stick to the hazelnut. The next thing I'm gonna add is some cacao. Alright, organic cacao powder, and because it's toasted, it's really, the color is really nice already, but you know, the Nutella has the organic powder, so I'm using 1 teaspoon of the cacao powder. And those are gonna be my additives for now. Okay, I have this salt here, which is a coarse sea salt with a little bit of pepper flakes in it. I'm gonna sprinkle a couple sprinkles in there, nothing big, you know, to just keep the flavors balanced. Look at that. So we're gonna finish up this batch right here, and then we'll finish up the rest. And hey, nut butter, homemade Nutella, whatever you want to call it. Yardie Belly TV, remember me tell you. Nice. So there is the finished nut, and it is not, again, it's not 100% creamy because it's, you know, the food processor, I don't want it burn up, but it is doing a hell of a job of making a nice Nutella. Not overly sweet, nice roasted flavors. How it tastes, is sweet?
It tastes very authentic. It tastes like a healthy version of the original Nutella. Really
and that's
nice.
just the first batch. I'm gonna now put in the second batch and finish it up. And there you have it, guys, our finished Nutella, homemade Nutella or hazelnut butter. This one was a learning experience for us, but it came out beautifully. Nice toasted flavor, coconut flavor. Who to tell that from these little nuts you could get something that's nice and nutritious for your family. A good snack item. Here we have it presented with some crackers and some baby carrots and some apples, and yeah, awesome sauce. So once again, guys, stay tuned, look out for more from Yardie Belly TV. Great content, innovative ideas, turning our hands to make fashion. Remember me tell you. Nutella. Nutella. Homemade Nutella. Homemade Nutella.
Digging in.
Now for the taste test.
You know I'm the best taster, right? Better know.
Cause you're craving. How is it?
Really? Not I feel. I wouldn't spare you that long. You have to try making this thing. Now when you eat it with a little warm.
But like it just it warm now.
Every time I'm gonna eat some, I'm gonna warm it up because I love this warm feeling.
So you're not giving them? Wow. You're the crunching.
Hey, this is one of those healthy meals that you can have and
Healthy snack.
Yeah, healthy snack that you can have and not even feel like you're missing out on the bad stuff.
For reals? Awesome
Nice,
sauce.
man. Let me try a cacao.
No, but me think you give me something to try.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. No, man.
Did I give him thanks? Alright, give it a try.
Oh, wow. It tastes good enough.
I told you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you could try it with a carrot. Carrot never tasted this good before.
It tastes good. Guys, I'm not lie. And it's not over sweet.
I don't want to try up.
It's not overly sweet.
And the coconut sugar is low glycemic, so it's healthier
Perfect.
than regular cane sugar.
And you can sprinkle a little salt. Let me show you something, guys. If you take a little salt, because I have some flavored salt here. Let me show you where that salt come from.
This is a hack.
This, guys, if you buy peanut mixed nuts with honey, like the, what do you call it?
Honey roasted nuts?
Honey roasted nuts. In the bottom of the can, there is a bunch of sugar and salt mixture. I save it. And then I just use it like this. Take a little bit. Sprinkle it. And guys, I promise you, awesome. Awesome. Yeah. You have to turn your hand and make fashion. You see how when you do a little roast meat and sprinkle this on top of it, OMG, it is so good. Try that and tell me. You see it work? Yeah, man. Alright, the camera done now. Done now. That's how me I have mine. A little bit of salt and TV, yeah. Awesome finishing, guys. Creamy, a little bit of crunch, very nice, toasty, and the coconut sugar did a good job. A little vanilla. It was good. It was really good. Homemade Nutella, guys. Enjoy it with your favorite snack items. It works. I promise you that. Yardie Belly TV. Doing good things around here. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV.